Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use eBay promoted listings. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for eBay just like that. And once you do that, simply go ahead and click on Seller Hub right over here. Or if you don't find it, simply just search for Seller Hub itself. And once you do that, all you need to do is simply on this list of things right over here, click on advertising. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here, where on the right hand side you can see a button called create new campaign. Simply go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, as you can see, there are two campaign strategies that you can go ahead and choose. So the first is the general, which is gonna show 90% more visibility on average, and basic access to ad placements across eBay. Pay per sale, only pay a fee when an item sells, and then accelerate sales on any type of listing, especially useful on low quantity listings. Okay, and there is also priority. So it's gonna guarantee 170% more visibility on average and preferential ranking in ad placements across eBay. Pay per click, you have to pay for clicks on your ad, and simply go ahead and multiply sales on multi-quantity listings, especially useful on highly competitive categories. So you can choose any of it. Go ahead and select your ad listings, and then simply go ahead and put your payment method, and then you are set to go. If you see on the promoted listings, you can set an ad rate between 2% and 100% off the sale price, and eBay takes the percentage from the final sale, including shipping and taxes. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.